Hey guys, the name is Kawhi. Not. I know this spot on Hananura Point B that apparently Grandmasters don't. Sorry for a low definition. I'm not some crazy YouTuber with all the official stuff, the microphone and stuff. I'm using my phone. Sorry. Sorry for low def. You have to aim your rockets right here, and then you can be able to get over there. And then from here, you can get to over there. And it's a pretty good spot to ult too. So if you main soldier like I do, which probably don't because he is my favorite character in Overwatch. So sorry about that, but that is the spot that Grandmasters don't know that I apparently figured out.